Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a very useful cleaning gadget, a washing vacuum cleaner designed for furniture, carpets, sofas, mattresses, and even car interiors. If you've ever struggled with stains, dust, pet hair, or unpleasant odors on fabric surfaces, this device could become one of your favorite home cleaning tools. Unlike a regular vacuum cleaner, this model combines powerful suction with a washing function. It sprays water onto the surface, loosens dirt deep inside the fabric, and then quickly removes the dirty water back into a separate container. The result is a much deeper and fresher clean. One of the biggest advantages is its versatility. You can use it on sofas, chairs, carpets, mattresses, stairs, car seats, and many other surfaces around the house. It's especially useful for families with kids or pets because it helps remove hidden dirt and freshen up furniture without professional cleaning services. The vacuum also features a compact and practical design, making it easier to move around the house and store after use. The transparent water tanks let you clearly see the cleaning process, and separating clean and dirty water helps keep everything hygienic. Another great feature is the strong suction power. Even after washing, surfaces dry much faster compared to traditional manual cleaning methods. Overall, this washing vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice for anyone who wants cleaner furniture, fresher carpets, and a healthier home environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.